alive, boys. That currently does not work. How's it going, everybody? Today we are working on the S10. The current problems with the S10 is in order to start it every time I have to plug this in. So what I would like to, I had to plug all this in order to get it to fire. So what I would like to do today is, I've got an extra switch inside. I would like to wire in a switch to here, to one of these panels right here. And then all you would have to do is flick the switch on, everything would come on, and that would be it. Another thing I need to do is, as you saw in the beginning of the video, the tachometer doesn't work, so I would like to get that working today. But there's a lot of wiring to do. Some more wiring I have to do is, currently, the brake lights, they don't necessarily work, so we're going to work on those. I think that's going to be in another video because all the computer in this truck is ripped out, so I had to kind of rewire everything and get it all squared away to where, you know, the brake lights work. I'm hoping there's still something left so I can hook the brake lights up to it. But let's get into this. Alright, so I finally figured out the wiring with this truck. Before, you'd have to go and plug it in right there. You have to plug that in, and then you could come and turn the truck on, and then you'd have to flip this switch on. But as you can see, it's in the on position right now. But now all you have to do is go over here. That light's on, and you can start it. Ooh. There we go. So yeah, now that I got that figured out, that makes a lot easier, because now we don't have to open and close the hood every time we need to start and stop the truck, you know, because there was a power draw, now there isn't, because it's all just done by the switch. So now I'm going to try and get this wiring for this tachometer figured out and hopefully hook that up. Alright guys, so I finally got this all squared away. I got the tack all hooked up, and I got this button all hooked up now, so now every time I push this button, tack lights up. Let's give her a nice little cold start. Oh yeah, that's much better. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit, and I hope I can get some revs in. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, hit that like and subscribe button, and click that notification bell, because I do want to continue posting these videos, because it's something I've always wanted to do, and really want to bring you guys more of these videos, because I like working on the S10, and we also, I don't know if you can see it in any of the video, but we also have a 68 Camaro that we're working on. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done with it. I'm actually going to have a little bit of a walk around. Currently, these are all bashed in, so we need to redo those. But other than that, it's pretty much just putting the entire interior back in, ordering some new parts. I did order the, now I can't remember what they are. I ordered parts for the door so that the door can close the right way. Because when we open the door, it will sag down, which it's not supposed to do. And we found out that these are quite worn out. So I got new parts of those, and I'm just kind of waiting to put those on. That'll probably come this weekend. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It will really help me out. And I will talk to you guys later.